when it comes to navigation of this, so I'm using a mouse that has a scroll feature, and so I'm able to zoom in or out very easily. Sometimes getting those roads off when you're zooming in and out is helpful, and so that's kind of how I'm navigating in and out, just zooming in or out with that, and then just grabbing and clicking with my mouse, and it's just one click. There's no I'm on a Mac, so there's no right click feature, but I can do what is it, control, yeah, so with the control it's all that. You're just going to zoom in or out, and then you might place things or draw things on there, and so we'll show some of that. Really useful feature, and this will be useful if I just go zoom in somewhere and kind of show you. Let's just go into some outskirt area of Minneapolis here. So kind of sometimes let it catch up. Okay, let's go look at some farms here. Okay, here's some big greenhouse operation. This tool up here is called historical imagery. It's the timeline tool. So each line on here represents when a photo was taken. So this is March 2023. If I go back, oh no, sorry, this is that was usually with where it is. Okay, sometimes it moves around, but anyway, so that's June 2022. Go back. That is August 2021. That is October 2020. Go back a bit further. That's May. See a lot of crappy drainage in these fields. This is the kind of things you can learn from just watching, using this tool. It's so amazing. That's October 2019. And so this is a very important tool, and you're going to see me use it a lot, pretty much on every property, because it just tells us so much information about that. So that's the time feature. Another tool you're going to see me use a ton is the ruler. So you click on the ruler. You can draw a line, a path, a polygon, or a circle. I don't do any of these in these presentations, but I will use these. And so a line is, I want to know how long it is from here to there. And that's 1/4 of a mile. I'll, as best as I can, I always try to show miles and kilometers when we do this. And so that's a line. A path is sweet, because then you might want to draw, oh, how long is this road here? How long is it to drive from here to here? And you can just go and click on multiple points, and then the total will be up here. And then you can even hold it down and it'll do that if you want to draw just really quick. So that tool, you'll see me use that a bunch, and it's super helpful. And then the one that's really useful is the polygon tool. So is this a 1/4 section of land? Is that 160 acres? Let's find out. Looks like it. No, it's 40 acres. So I'm way off. Zoomed out there. 1/4 section would be a lot bigger. But that's what that tool does, and you're going to see me use that in all kinds of ways, going, okay, how big is the infrastructure on this property here? Okay, it's that big, whatever. So we'll use that a lot, and you can, I usually toggle between square feet and acres depending on how big the area is that I'm looking at. So if I wanted to just come into something like this, and you got to have this closed if you want to be able to navigate.